and then put them in the blue bowl.
So I'll say one for me, one for the bowl.
Well, we're gonna eat it once it's in the pie.
Okay, so I'll put these in the pie. Okay. Yeah, and just one left for me. One left.
Oh, that's a big one. I tell you what, if you get this job done, you can have one piece of chocolate at the very end. Good job. Okay, that one's for you. All right. Okay, so we have our ingredients: crushed graham crackers and little milk chocolates. And what are these?
Marshmallows.
Yeah, all the stuff you need. And our cream is cooling. So we're all set.
Let's mix them up.
Okay. Okay, we're ready to add some ingredients now.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one chocolate for me.
Weston, I thought after lunch you wouldn't be as hungry.
Oh,
No, put it in there. Okay. Okay, no more eating. We're gonna make the pie now. Okay, Weston's had lunch and he's ready to make the next step of the pie. Pie has been in the freezer.
so let's
And
do
the creams.
chocolate first.
Okay, we're actually going to do, we can do the chocolate first. Okay, dump it in here and put it all over the pie.
Sorry.
That's all right. Okay, I think we need just a little bit more chocolate.
A little bit more chocolate.
Yeah.
And just one bar for me. And one for the soup. So here's...
Once the pie's done, then we'll eat it.
So that's one for the pie. So
Okay. See how we kind of want to lay them out? There, that looks really cool. Okay, now dump some graham cracker on top of that. Put some graham cracker on top of that, buddy.
Mars.
And I'm going to melt just a little bit of butter. It's looking really good.